Hi, can you hear me properly? The volume. Okay, hi. Is this better? Okay. Hi, okay. Very good. Okay. Good morning. My name is Amara. I am 23 years old. I am a very happy, active, and supportive person. Okay, I love teaching because it gives me satisfaction every time I feel that my student learns from me. Okay, how about you? What is your name? Okay, nice to meet you, Sandy. Okay, Sandy, is your material ready? Okay, is this better? Okay, all right, nice to meet you, Sandy. Okay, all right, today we are going to talk about computers. Okay, yes, today's lesson is a listening lesson. Okay, so you really have to focus. All right, Sandy. Okay, let's read the words first. I will say the word and then you repeat after me, all right? Okay, access, allocate, compatible, delete, display, duplicate, failure, figure out, ignore, search, shut down, warning. Okay, okay. For the first word, access, for noun, it is the ability or right to enter or use. Okay, and then for verb, it is to obtain or to gain entry. Okay, so an example for noun is you can't gain access to the files unless you know the password. Okay, all right, and an example for verb is we access the information of the company's website. Okay, 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 very good, Sandy. All right. Sandy, do you know the meaning of noun and verb? Okay, a noun, it is used to identify any class of people, places, or things. All right, so Sandy and Amara, which is my name, that is a noun. Okay, and verb, okay, and verb is used to describe an action. Okay, hello? Okay, very good. Okay, for the next word, it's allocate. Yes. Can you read to me the meaning of allocate? Okay. For verb, it is to designate for a specific purpose. So it is assigning or setting aside. An example, yes. Okay, it is to give. Okay, an example is the office manager did not allocate enough money to purchase software. And another example is the software architect did not allocate enough memory for the sound card to work in your computer. Can you repeat that for me? Yes, sure. What is it? Enough? Enough means sufficient. Do you know sufficient? Okay. Um, enough means it you give as many as you are asked, the adequate amount as much as necessary, or the required amount you are asked to give. Yes. Yes. For example, when you go to school, your parents give you allowance, correct? And if you think that they give you enough money for you to last through the day, for you to buy your food and all the things that you need for the day, then that is enough money. Okay? Okay, moving on. The next word is compatible. Okay. Compatible is an adjective. Adjective means it is a describing word. Okay? So compatible means to be able to function together. Yes. Compatible is to be able to work well together. Okay. Yes, work okay together. All right. So an example is this operating system is not compatible with this model computer. And another example is users of software applications want new versions to be compatible with current versions. So it means to work together. Okay, do you understand that? Okay, very good. Okay, can we move on to the next word? Okay, delete. Delete is a verb and it means to remove or to erase. Okay, so an example is the technicians deleted all the data on the disk accidentally. And another example is this button on the keyboard deletes the characters from the screen. Do you see the delete button on your keyboard? That is used to erase the things that you have written, correct? Yes. Okay, can you repeat the meaning of delete again? Okay. Yes. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Moving on. Next is display. So for noun, display is what is visible on a monitor or what you see right now on your laptop or computer monitor. And for verb, it is to show. The display on your laptop to show to you, okay? Okay, example is the light on the LCD display is too weak. And another example is the accounting program displays a current balance when opened. Okay. Yes. Yes. Current means right now. Okay. Okay, very good. All right. Okay, for our next word, it's duplicate. Yes. So for verb, it is to produce something equal. Sorry. Or to make identical. Yes. So duplicate is making the same exact copy of something. Oh, yes. Okay, so example is I think the new word processing program will duplicate the success of the one introduced last year. And another example is Before you leave, please duplicate the file by making a copy on the CD-ROM. Can you repeat that for me? Yes. Okay. Do you understand the meaning of duplicates? Okay. Make a copy. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Next is failure. Okay. Failure, noun, an unsuccessful work or effort. Okay, an example of it is your failure to inform us about the changed password cost the company a day's work. And yes, and another example is the repeated failure of her printer baffled the technician. Yes. Okay, do you know the meaning of baffled, Sandy? So the repeated failure of her printer, baffled is it confused or it gave a problem to the technician. Do you get did you get that, Sandy? Okay. Um Baffled means confusion or since the printer has repeated failure, it gave problem or confusion to the technician. Okay, can you repeat the meaning of failure for me, please? Okay. Do you understand failure, Sandy? Okay, very good. Okay, next word is figure out. Yes. So figure out, verb, it's to understand or to solve. An example, yes. Example is by examining all of the errors, the technicians figured out how to fix the problem. And another example is we figured out that it would take us at least 10 minutes to download the file. Okay? Is there? Yes. Yes. Okay. Or do you have any questions for figure out? Okay, figure out. For example, you have a math exam, okay? And you have a formula to solve for your math exam. If you clearly understand it, then all of the problems that the teacher will give to you will be easy to figure out if you know the formula. Yes? You want you will understand, yes. Okay? And okay. Next word is ignore. So it is a verb and it means not to notice or to disregard. Okay, example is when the director is working at the computer, she ignores everything around her. Another example is don't ignore the technician's advice when connecting cables. Can you repeat that for me? Okay, so do you understand the meaning of ignore? Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, next. Okay, very good, Sam.